Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how to submit form data to database with server-side validation in Laravel application. So first of all you need to start your local web server and open CMD, browser and any text editor. So I have already start my XAMPP server and open text editor, CMD and my browser. So now open CMD and navigate to your XAMPP directory. So I have installed XAMPP in D directory. Type cd htdoc XAMPP htdoc. Now I will run project Laravel project installation command. So type composer create project space hyphen prefer list Laravel / Laravel blog and then enter. Now you can see that Laravel fresh project is installing in our XAMPP directory. So wait for few minutes until the complete installation. Now you can see that Laravel fresh setup has been successfully installed in our system. So go to your XAMPP directory and open this project in any text editor. So I will navigate to XAMPP htdocs and drag my project blog into my text editor. Then open web browser and type localhost phpMyAdmin and create first of all start your MySQL and Apache web server, then open browser and run localhost phpMyAdmin. Now create a new database name blog. So type blog and create a new database. Then open again your web browser, then open again your text editor and find .env file and open it. Then add your database name and username, password. So I have add my database name blog, username root and password blank and save this file and close it. Now open your command prompt to create one model and migration file. So navigate your blog project, so cd blog and type php artisan make model and your model name contact m and hit enter. Model and migration file has been successfully created. So open your migration file. So go to your text editor and navigate database migrations and open migration file contact.blade php file. Now here add your database fields. So string, field name, add second field name email, then third field text name message and save it and close this. Now navigate to your model. So go to app and contact.php and Add fillable properties of your database table fields. So write protected fillable equals to array semicolon and name comma email comma message and save it. Now open again your command prompt and run php artisan server command. php artisan migrate command. This command will create database tables into your database. So go to your web browser and click on your database block. So you can see that contacts, failed jobs, migrations and user table are created by php artisan migrate. And you can see that name, email and message created at updated date fields in your contact table. So now open your command prompt again and run php artisan make controller command to create a contact controller. Contact controller file. Now hit enter. The contact controller has been successfully created. So go to your text editor and you can find your controller. So go to app http controllers and you can see that. Now here you will create two methods. First index this method will show your forms. So type create a function name index and return view. After this I will create a view file. So contact save it. Now go to routes folder and open web.php file and create a one route with get method name contact form comma controller name contact controller and @call method. I will call index method when hit on browser contact form. So now I will create a view file. So go to resources directory and views directory, then create here a contact.blade.php file. Contact.blade.php file and create a HTML view. Laravel form submit with validation. Now open your web browser and type get bootstrap documentation and copy this library and add into your blade view file. Now create a div and add class container and empty file. Then create a form and add method post and action form URL save and add the rate CSRF token here. Then create a form fields. So create a div again with class form group. Inside this create a div again, create a label for name field name, and add class control label. Then create name field. So type input type text, field name comma add class form control and you can also add placeholder and please enter name. Now this one field successfully created. So, and you can also add validation error message here. So create use a span and add class text danger and print error at the red dollar error first name. Copy this same field again and change it for email and input type email, name email. Then please enter email, validation error message email. Now copy this again and type message and remove this input text area tag and type name message class form control. And add one button, its name submit button. So copy this field again and paste it here and add class and remove this and create a div inside and add class call sm offset 2. Inside this use button tag, HTML button tag, button submit and class btn default and type here submit. Now Open again your web.php file and create a new route file. Create a new route. So I will post route for save data on contact controller. So store method and open again your controller file contact.php and create your method name store. And use request object and also add on your controller request object with and your model. So use a contact model, use redirect and response. Now inside your stored method get form data. So $data request validate function close and validate your each form field. First name field is required, then email field required and email. Then message, add message, so it's required. If the validation pass, store data into contact table. So write the code contact create $data and return the user to form page to your route contact form. Copy URL and paste it here with success message. Great contact form has been successfully submitted with validation, and save this. Now open again your contact.blade.php and print success message on the above of the form. So write @if and close if and if and type $message equals to session get success and create a div with class alert success alert block, and then use strong tag and print message dollar message and save this file. BR tag. Now open again your web browser. Open again your command prompt and run php artisan server command to start your project locally. So now copy this URL and hit on your web browser. Your Laravel project has been successfully run, and now call your contact form route. And go to again your getbootstrap.org and copy the following script and add this. And save this file and refresh again your browser. My internet connection is down, so this form is not so proper. I hope I connect again. I have connect my internet connection to other device, so this run properly. So now refresh again your page. You can see that the form looks like this. If you submit this form, go to again your contact.blade.php file and change success. Change class btn success on submit button and refresh again on browser. Then you can see that the form button color has been changed. If you submit this form blank, this will show validation error. You can see that the form field is required, the name field, email field is required, and the email field is required. So go to your contact.blade.php file and change your message and save it, and then refresh again. Now submit your form blank. So you can see that the message field is required, and you can also refresh your database table, so nothing is stored in your database. Now I will enter proper information, john@gmail.com, and this is my first form and submit it. Unexpected fee label. Go to your contact.model file and add dollar fee level, protected dollar fee level name. Now back to your contact form and submit again with fields. Now you can see that great contact form has been successfully submitted with validation. Now you can check your contact table. One row has been successfully inserted in your database. If you want to source code of this video, I will provide a link in description. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.